This video demonstrates how to create a design variant in the Allegro X System Capture tool. A design variant is a schematic markup used to document the assembly variations on a PCB design and are also known as stuffing options. You can create multiple variants of a base design and modify or delete the components in the base schematic for use in the variants. Choose Variants, then click on Create Variant to create a new variant for the design. Enter the variant name, for example, Euro. Click OK to create the variant. The Euro variant is created and the tool switches to the variant view for the newly created variant so that the variant data can be edited. The title in the window banner changes to indicate that the variant view is being displayed. While viewing the variant schematic, almost all the toolbar icons are hidden in the variant view. Only the Variant Info tab remains. In the Variant tab, you can add or replace the preferred parts. When replacing a part, the search criteria for compatible footprints are automatically applied and relevant results are displayed. This ensures that the selected preferred part has a compatible footprint. Use the Do Not Install option to not mount parts in assembly variants. You can easily identify install parts and do not install parts. Choose Edit, then click on Preferences and select the Schematic, then Variant View tab to define the formatting for modified parts and properties. To turn off the variant view or to choose a different variant, choose Variants, then select View, then click Off or select the respective variant. To print the variant, switch to Variant View and choose File, then click on Print. Make the necessary changes and save the PDF file. Name the file, for example, Euro_variant. To generate the variant BOM, first turn off the variant view. Then choose Tools and click on Generate BOM. The select report format should be a text file, spreadsheet, or HTML. Select Variant BOM and browse the variant. Finally, click on Generate to generate the variant BOM. That is all we have now for this video. Thanks for watching.